Very good morning to all. I am Dr.C.Senthilkumar, Associate Professor, Department of Mechanical Engineering. I am happy to share the video on BMC Business Model Canvas of a reputed standard company, which is startup company also, listed in Y Combinator as well Crunchbox also, Cruise Autonomous, a US based company. Let me get into the video. So the Center for Creativity Activity, we are doing this regularly to deliberate about the BMC of a company to give a knowledge to the students as well to the community what we have observed about the company. So why this BMC? It's a strategic management tool that we know and easily define the communicate a business idea. And this problem statement for the Cruise is a autonomous vehicle company. So battery thermal management system and autonomous vehicles company. So which is listed in the non-comal and a Y Combinator and Crunchbase also. So coming to the Crunchbase, so this is listed in the Crunchbase. Usually we say the Crunchbase listed companies are reputed startup companies and having a good Y Combinator as well unicorn company also having the reputation in the world. So coming to the why this cruise I have chosen. So which has this verticals and industry standards of connecting the automobile industry to the robotics and automation. So this is the connection of this one. So additionally, battery and analytic data it uses that are indicated in the green color, that is the energy here as well AAML data analytics also. So nowadays most of the startup companies having these two because energy even AAML data analytics are very important for the latest upcoming companies. It's autonomous battery management company, vehicle company. So founded in the 2013, it's the energy based company and having the automobile industry. That is why I inferred these two and having the employees more than 200 employees. So having the company located at the Austin, Texas, USA and having the branch at California also. So this is about the company's status and why this cruise I have chosen and what are this company's important key points that I have listed here that I will explain here now. Now let me go to the steps for the BMC. So the step one is understand the company's perspective and the translation. And the number 2 point is identify the mode of connecting their end customers. And the third step is uh, understand their strategy for customer relationship. And fourth step is what are the key sources for this company. And the fifth step is what are the key activities, why do they connect their customers, and these points we are going to see in the next upcoming slide. And coming to the next one, so this why are the key partners for this company in the sixth point, sixth step. And the seventh step, what are the components of this cost structure that we are going to see. And eighth step, we are going to what are the sources for their revenue. So these all listed in the upcoming slide where I have segregated added one more point also which are essential nowadays. But usually in the BMC these 8 points are sufficient. I have added one more point that we'll see in the next point. So let me see one by one. So customer segment, it is having the urban riders and city partners. So these two customer segment people meet this cruise and get the knowledge about the concept. Coming to the second one, value proposition. So driverless rides, it's autonomous vehicle as I said already. It's a driverless rides and having low cost mobility. So cost is very less. That is why people approaches this company. It's a startup company, as I said. That is the reason. Third, only it's channels, mobile app, and city networks. So we are using mobile app now to go for a destination using the G map and other upcoming maps also. That all integrated with these channels and city networks also connected with the cameras. So the vehicle ensures the safety of the people riding in the vehicle in the autonomous. So the fourth step is the customer relationship, self-service feedback driven. The self-service feedback driven is very important customer relationship. So it as a self-service, any vehicle issues coming, the person who is owner can service himself. The feedback driven, So it gives feedback through the AI system, and as I said, AI, ML, and data analytics that always running and giving the data input. Coming to the fifth point, so here we can see the revenue stream. So the revenue stream is the electricity sale through long term and renewable energy credits. These two credits this is taking as a revenue stream. So coming to the sixth point, key resources, AI software and EV fleet. So as I said already, AI, ML and data analytics, it is integrated with the AI software and electric vehicle fleet also there. So the vehicle is suitable for hybrid as well autonomous and all the terrain vehicle also possible based on this cruise. So based on the terrain usage, the cost also varies. Coming to the seventh step, so key activities we know that AV development and system testing are very very important key activities. So automated vehicle development is nowadays emerging in many of the countries to avoid the human usage and human comfortness. It gives more human comfort. The system testing is happening through AML and data analytics regularly. So this is what the key activity of the point. Coming to the step 8, so this is a key partner. So General Motors and Microsoft are their key partners for the company. And the ninth point is the cost structure. As I said, one more point I'm adding here. So R&D cost and operation cost. So these all are the cruise BMC 9 steps to be deliberated about the company. We should know about the cruise company. So thank you very much for the opportunity, and thank you once again. Thank you.